everyone, Melissa here, come on today to share some winnings that I won from Felicia over at FP Handmade. I'll have her link down below. So make sure you all go over and subscribe and see what's happening over there on her YouTube channel. All right, let's jump right in. And I'm just going to share these winnings. I have not opened the package, but it definitely looks like it's more in here than what I had won. So thank you so much, Felicia, because I'm sure it is, because I don't remember you showing this much on your channel. All right. All right, so I got everything out, and I had that turned over so you wouldn't see her address. All right, let's shift this over. All right, and I did win some of these. These are super cute. We'll see what I make with those. And I'm just going to pick this up here. We have a bunch of ephemera from Prima. And yes, you can see all of those on the back side. Let's kind of focus here so you can check that out. This is really nice. Frank Garcia Studio there. Great. I see my favorite. Okay. Anyway, so here we go here. We have some frames and tags. It's a winter collection there. Oh, this looks so nice. All right, and then my love for paper, oh my gosh, gets my heart every time. Look at this. Day in the life. And I don't have this one. As many paper packs as I have, I do not have this one. So I'm excited about that. All right. And then here we go, some stickers. It's Valentine's Day stickers. Oh, look at that. It's already a pre-made frame for you. I want to say that's would go perfect on 5x7. That's really cute. All right. Oh, look at these. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That's Glitter Mania right there. That is so pretty. I've never seen those before. Here goes some more stickers there. Showing some Valentine's Day love. And there goes some more there. These are really nice. Oops, and they look like shaker cards. Yeah, some of them have shaker bits in them. Look at that. That is super cute, little puffy. Oops, and here goes another one. Aren't those cute? That is really cute. I don't think I've ever seen these before either. And then this one here. I love that mailbox there. That's really cute. There goes another set. And another set. Look at this. It's got owls on there. I love owls. And look at this. This is really cute. Primitive heart there. Really, really cute. And then she sent me a pencil box from Simon Says Stamp. And I've never gotten one from Simon Says Stamp. I don't know what. Oh, I think that came off the bag. But this is really nice. Little pencil bag there. Thanks so much, Felicia. I really appreciate it. Make sure you head over to her channel. I'll have her channel linked down below. Go over there and subscribe and tell her Mo Creations sent you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.